Good morning, friends. Meet Leo. Leo is a happy little red truck. Every day, Leo helps deliver special things. Today is a big day. Leo drives out of his cozy garage. Vroom, vroom. Sometimes Leo even likes to drive backwards. Beep, beep, beep. What a funny truck. The sun is shining and Leo loves to drive. Look over there. It's a farm. Beautiful green fields, fluffy clouds, and... Can you see them? Yes, cows. Cows are amazing animals. They give us something wonderful. Can you guess what it is? It's milk. Fresh, white, yummy milk. Now Leo gets ready to work. The farmer brings shiny milk cans. 1, 2, 3. Time to load them up. Leo drives down the country road. Past trees, past flowers, past little hills. Where is Leo going? To the big town. Wow, look at this. It's a milk factory. This is where the milk becomes ready for everyone. Let's go inside. Inside the factory, milk pours into tiny bottles. Splash, splash. Each bottle gets filled with creamy white milk. So clean and fresh. Now Leo has a new job. He picks up all the bottles. Off to the grocery store. Beep, beep. Here comes Leo. At the store, the milk waits on the shelf. Then, Mommy comes. She picks up one bottle. Perfect for breakfast tomorrow. Mommy takes the milk home. She opens the fridge and puts it inside. Nice and cold, ready to drink. And finally, yummy, a big glass of milk for breakfast. Thank you, Leo. Thank you, cows. See you next time, friends.